Welcome to RCM Level 2 Playback Videos. This is example final test number 2. We are in the key of F major. We have a 4/4 time signature. This example is 2 measures in length. We have an F major triad, so go ahead and play that. I will play the example 2 times. Remember to tap your foot along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Go ahead and play that back. For the answer, turn to page 48 of the RCM 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.